A first look at our new EV along with setting up a new charger, EVSE. Let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've done a video, but I want to show you some exciting things happening here. Just installed this new Emporia electric vehicle charger, or really it's a supply unit, EVSE. And we picked up a new EV, our second EV, got rid of all our gas vehicles. Want to show you our, new to us, ID.4. It's pretty sweet. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's actually not new. It's 2021. It's 2 years old. Had 24,000 miles on it, and it was a good buy at the time. It has all the sort of bells and whistles. I'll cut to some other footage now and show you the car in the daylight. But we do a special rate program here with our electric company. We actually got the Emporia for free, along with our other EVSE, which is a charge point. My Nissan Leaf here is charging, but the Emporia comes for free, and you get reduced rates for charging off peak. There's a couple different programs our power company runs, Green Mountain Power. They do a rate 72 and a rate 74. We do the 74. Now, if you charge from 9 p.m. to 1 p.m. the following day, off peak hours, you get a reduced rate. It's about 20% less for kilowatt. I think it's about 14 cents a kilowatt to charge off peak. That also includes the weekends. And energy here is like 19 cents a kilowatt, so it's pretty expensive. So anything you can save, get a free EVSE out of it, it's a pretty good deal. All right, so let's go ahead and plug in. I'm gonna one-hand it here. Just takes a few seconds for it to connect. So I just heard the relay kick on the VSE inside the garage. And then the car is starting to charge. Pretty cool car. This is the first edition VW ID.4. Got a great deal on it, and it's quite an upgrade. Glad we're all EV now, all electric for our vehicles. Just have the lawnmower and Miss Massey, our tractor, which is on traditional fuels. All right, so let's go ahead and show you the inside of the car at night. It's pretty neat. Really like the curbside lighting down here. Lots of LEDs, and the screen's pretty impressive. Great seats. You know, this isn't a car review, but just really happy we have this car for the family. Just want to mention a couple things on the EVSE. It's set up for 40 amp circuit, and that means it's 32 amps going into the car, about 7,500 watts if it's drawing full power. Nice little unit. Comes with a great app. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at that. Here's the app from Emporia. I'm pretty impressed with it. It has lots of features. Obviously, it shows you how many kilowatts it's using the car as far as charging. Plus, you get these really cool graphs. And then you can go ahead and access other features, such as the Emporia system. They have a home energy monitor system you can use. They actually sent one to me with the EVSE. Probably not going to use it because I already have a Sense, but I'm thinking about hooking it up. It's also good to note that there's energy management features here in this app with the Emporia EVSE. You can participate in the utility program, which we're doing. It has peak demand management. It has time of use management. If you use it with the energy monitor and you have solar, you can basically tell the car to charge, and this is all done through the smart features. You don't have to actually do it, but the Emporia will figure it all out. Now, one of my favorite features on this app is the ability to change the units of measurement. Currently, we're looking at watts being used, but you can also change it to currency, amps, gallons of gas, car miles, carbon, and trees. If we take a look at the currency, it's costing about $1 an hour to charge the vehicle. I also really like the amps measurement too. This would be really helpful if you're in an off-grid system. You want to know how many amps are being pulled out of your batteries or system overall. This is a great unit of measurement for that. So again, it's a nice little system between the app and the Emporia EVSE, along with their smart home technology. You can have one system to tie everything together. So let's go ahead and show you some of the install footage I did here. This isn't a full install, but just some of the things I had to do. I had to upgrade the service for the sub panel. Went from 60 amp number 6 wire to number 2 in the basement, and then ran a circuit here, 40 amp. It's about a 75-foot run from our basement to the garage here, along with installing the receptacle. So I went ahead and installed the outlet and the cover. And the reason I did that was so I could line up the box to the cord coming down, this 1450 cords. So now I can just bring the box in and install it right here. I know it's perfect. It lines up perfectly. I don't have to gas. I don't have to make the cord shorter. This is a really thick cable, and it's really hard to like bring it up a little bit. So if it's installed in the perfect position on the box, now I can go ahead, screw my box in, unplug, take the cover off, go ahead and do the electrical install inside the box. Okay, get everything wired up now. Just have to plug it in. That's super easy. And just need to go ahead and do the wiring downstairs into the breaker panel. All right, so I got things wired up. Here's a new breaker on the bottom, 40 amp, use a tandem breaker. This panel can accept that, no problem. The 20 amp is for the heat pump. On that 20 amp, 30 amp tandem breaker is for the other EVSE, our charge point charger. So everything's installed, looking good. I'm gonna turn it on for the first time, and we should be good to go. All right, guys, this is gonna bring us to the end of the video. The new Emporia installed on a 40 amp circuit, new wiring our sub panel, new EV. Everything is good here. I wanna thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Come on back for more videos. Take care. Have a great day.